Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iiiF150 R2 Ultra and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To add event to your calendar, open calendar application. In it, the Monday when we want that our event may be 30 of December, and there this plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. In this part we can set it will be task, birthday or event. Now we can add this event to group about what is it about our family, works or something, family or something like that. In this part, by switch on we can turn on it will be all day event, or we can set when event starts and finish. There we can set repeat of that if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add the location of our event. There we can set notification to that, maybe 1 hour before and 30 minutes, and we can add more than one notification. Change color of that description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.